Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Sydney expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this one is marketed as a Sydney session specialist for EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame with recovery features. The developer backtests look absolutely insane, but I ran my standard test to see what really happened, so I'm sure you stick around to the end of the video to get the full picture. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below. It's totally worth it, so ensure you check it out. Now we're talking about the Sydney expert advisor. It was developed by Ruben Octavio from Switzerland. It's quite popular on the MQ5 community with 3 stars out of 5 from 227 reviewers. Also has 6 products. And talking about the Sydney, it goes for $499 which is approximately $500, and it is optimized for Sydney trading session with dynamic lot sizing, trailing take profit, and a smart recovery mode. Also it can be used without it if you want. It uses stop loss, trailing TP, and recovery trades when in drawdown. They claim incredible results like turning $100 into over $3.5 million. And these are the images from their backtest. From 2010 to 2021, which is about 11 years, and they turned $100 to $3.5 million. This is the image, the results of their backtest. We are seeing a profit factor of 15.31, a win rate of 99%, and equity drawdown is about 20%, so it's quite the aggressive type. Also, the profit factor is 15 plus. It's also marketed as a safe EA with protections, dynamic lots, and high consistency, especially during the Asian or Sydney session on EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame. They have some other results like $100 to $5.6 million, $100 to $4.8 million, $3.7 million. Quite the numbers here, quite the numbers. Now for the key features that they market, they push the dynamic lot per balance. They also have the trailing. These are the input parameters. They have the trailing take profit. They have the recovery mode with specific pips for the start distance. They also have the recovery trades, the recovery settings, and they also have the profit target. Then there are the max lot limits, spread filter, the magic number, and info panel. All of these are settings and inputs which help this expert advisor trade efficiently. And it's positioned as a reliable session-based expert advisor with built-in risk management for consistent profits. That's all from the developer. They show so much profitability on their page, but I had the opportunity to run this on my MetaTrader 5 on my strategy tester to see if it actually delivers on its word, and I ran it on EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame from June 2025 to June 2026 on a $10,000 starting balance, $10,000 deposit. And let's look at the results. Results came in with a heavy loss of about negative $7,136, a profit factor of 0.57, and also max equity drawdown hit a brutal 86.52%. For the balance it was 85%. Then there are only 128 trades in total for the test, but the losers were painful. The equity curve shows steady bleeding with several big drops and almost no meaningful recovery. We have this drop, a steady push to the upside, then a very big drop that will wipe out months of gains. then I have a steady upward push, then another day, a bad day that's gonna wipe out everything and wipe out months of gains and recovery. And it's that type of expert advice, so it's risky. And compared to their 99.92% win rate and the millions in profit that they claim, this is the harsh reality. Classic over optimized recovery system falling apart. The features that mattered are the recovery mode, which triggered but it couldn't save it, and it's on based on their defaults. I used the default settings for this backtest as it came from the developer, so I just used the defaults to run this test. But if you want more, if you still want to use this expert advisor, you have to send a private message to the developer to send you set files that suit your trading style and your risk appetite to be able to trade efficiently with this expert advisor. But following the defaults, we can see the results that we are getting, so I would say you should avoid using the defaults straight from the bat from the developer. Yeah, and also trailing take profit helped small winners, but overall the logic amplified losses in this period. And that is it from my backtest. It's quite poor. These are some of the trades it took in a bid to activate its recovery system. This is what it looks like. It's nothing much here. But my verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a dangerous recovery and greed style expert advisor disguised as a safe session trader. The nuances will include massive drawdown risk during losing streaks and high sensitivity to spreads and slippage on the 15-minute time frame. Implications would be that one bad trade, one bad run can wipe most of your accounts, just like we saw in the backtest. Then I'll say, who is this expert advisor for? Nobody serious. Maybe gamblers with huge accounts who like high risk recovery. But I'll say you should avoid it if you value your capital and you run proper accounts, or you want anything resembling consistency. Stay far away and test nothing like this on live, only on demo. Now, like the video if this real tests help you out. I know it did. Subscribe and hit notifications for more expert advisor reviews like this one. And also comment below which expert advisor you want me to test next and review. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. It's totally worth it. The link is there. Thank you for watching and trade safe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.